Welcome inside the cow leather factory.
Healthy care starts right here.
Every step ensures cattle well-being.
Precision checks ensure proper health. Safe, guided movement through process.
Advanced care protects every animal.
Automated systems guide the flow. Processing continues with zero waste. Robotics manage sorting efficiently. Careful transfer into boiling tanks. Softening begins through heated treatment. Rotational cleaning enhances material purity. Sterile lifting ensures clean handling.
Pull the corner tighter on your side. Got it. Is the tension right? Looks good. Keep it steady.
Drying prepares material for treatment. Rotary drums cleanse deeper layers. Chemical tanning strengthens material structure. Precision injectors balance chemical mix. Technicians confirm consistent tanning quality. Drying chambers finalize internal bonding. Thickness control ensures premium grade. Laser systems divide layers accurately. Softening rollers enhance flexibility evenly. Inspection guarantees flawless leather surfaces. Spray booths color with precision. Embossed textures elevate design appeal.
Craft finishing brings luxury shine.
Drying racks prepare final tones.
Laser cutters shape perfect patterns.
Stitching completes durable construction.
Brand detailing adds premium identity.
Assembly craftsmen finalize each product. Durability testing ensures long use.
Packaging protects every finished piece.
Sealing secures products for shipping.
Loading begins for global distribution.